Everyone uses ChatGPT in 2026, but almost everyone is using it at the shallowest level. They ask it to write emails, fix grammar, summarize documents, and that's fine. But that's like buying a laptop and only using the calculator app. So, here are 5 genius ways to use ChatGPT in 2026 that most people still don't get. And these are the ways that actually make you smarter, faster, and harder to replace. Number 1, don't ask for answers. Ask for frameworks. Most people ask, write me a marketing plan, write me a workout plan, write me a study schedule. Smarter people ask this instead. Show me the framework you'd use to build a great marketing plan for a small online business. Then we'll fill it in together. Or, give me the underlying structure behind a 30-day fitness plan and explain why it works. When you ask for frameworks, you're not just getting content, you're learning the logic behind it. You're stealing the thinking pattern, not just the final text. If ChatGPT disappears tomorrow, you still keep the framework. That's the difference. Number 2, use it as a ruthless editor of your own thinking. Instead of asking it to write from scratch, paste your idea and say, rewrite this in 3 stronger versions. One that is more direct, one that is more emotionally intense, one that is more calm and professional. Then tell me what's weak about my original version. Most people only use AI to polish. You use it to expose your blind spots. You'll start to see recurring patterns: over-explaining, soft language, unclear logic, weak hooks. ChatGPT becomes a mirror, showing you exactly where your thinking is lazy. Number 3, use multi-step conversations, not one-shot prompts. The people who get the worst results are the ones who say, write this thing for me. One message, one answer, done. The smart way is, step 1, I'll describe my situation. Ask me 10 questions so you really understand what I'm trying to do. Step 2, answer its questions. Step 3, now give me 3 possible directions with pros and cons for each. Step 4, okay, let's go deeper on option 2. Break it into steps. Step 5, now help me execute step 1. Suddenly, you're not using AI as a vending machine. You're using it as a thinking partner. And that's when it starts to feel scary good. Number 4, use role switching. Most people talk to ChatGPT like it's just ChatGPT, but you can get much better results by changing the role you assign it. For example, act as a brutally honest editor who doesn't care about my feelings. Your job is to tear this apart and make it better. Or act as a lazy, distracted customer who barely reads. How would you react to this page? Or act as my future self 5 years from now, who already achieved the thing I want. What would you tell me I'm doing wrong? You're not changing the tool, you're changing the perspective. Same AI, completely different level of insight. Number 5, use it to simulate reality, not escape it. This is the deepest one and almost nobody does this. Instead of asking, will this idea work? Ask, imagine you are 10 different types of people seeing this idea for the first time. A skeptical customer, a supportive friend, a bored stranger, a jealous competitor, a busy boss, a confused beginner. Tell me how each of them would react to this. Now you're not guessing how the world might respond. You're running a mental simulation before you act. You can do this for product ideas, messages, emails, pitches, social posts, even conversations you're scared to have. Most people use AI to escape reality. Smart people use AI to test their ideas against reality before they invest their time and energy. Here's the big point. In 2026, almost everyone will use AI at the surface level. Write this, fix that, summarize this. The people who win are the ones who use AI to change how they think, not just what they type. If you want more intelligent, non-basic ways to use AI, subscribe for more.